A ratio is the term given to a fraction where the units above and units below are the same, and the units would therefore completely cancel. Here's an example. Find the ratio of the triangle's long leg to its short leg. So we'll just divide long leg by the short leg. As we can see here, the units will cancel because they are the same. And we would get 2 over 1, or 2 to 1. Could even reduce it to a single number. A rate, though, is a term given to a fraction where the units are fundamentally different, and they could therefore not cancel. Here's an example. A car travels 230 miles in 4 hours. Express the rate of distance to time. So we want distance over time. It's going to be 230 miles over 4 hours. Now that's a rate, but it is not what is called a unit rate. A unit rate is a rate where the number in the denominator has to have a value of 1 rather than 4. So what we'd want to do is actually divide on calculator. 230 divided by 4. That gives us 57.5. So 57.5 miles per every 1 hour is the unit rate. And write it without the 1, that's fine too. Marbles in a certain store come in bags as shown to the right. Use the picture to find the rate of marbles to bags. Well, if we count up the total number of marbles, we see that there are 12 of them. And there are 4 bags. So that's a rate, but it is not the unit rate. To get the unit rate, we want to divide and reduce the fraction to 3 over 1 marbles per bag. And we can simplify it to just 3 marbles per bag. That's a unit rate where no number in the denominator is necessary because it's assumed to be a 1.